This is a plastic straw, and I wish to tell you the story how a straw may break our backs. In Europe, 25 million tons of plastic every year is produced, and only 30% of it is recycled. That's why last week the Queen Elizabeth of United Kingdom banned plastic straws and bottles in royal estates. But in Finnish libraries, every book is protected by plastic from wearing, so-called dust jacket. Dust jackets now protect books from wear, but if we fold the paper, every sheet, when folded, produces much more stronger protection. Another benefit from this type of technology that we introduced for 100% of primary schools textbooks to Russia. This is Italian and Swiss technology. So another benefit is the pre-printed two-dimensional code that allows book augment paper with digital experiences. Look at the screen. What if the picture could understand if the person who is reading this book or is looking at this picture has the right to access copyrighted content behind, or the right to use the service behind of the image even without identification. So this is our smart paper that is making paper working digitally and replaces plastic by paper. So I'm SmartPaper, startup from Espoo, and I'm Vladimir Kuparinen. Meet the books of 21st century. The books that not only are read, but the books that understand who is reading and what the reader desires. What are his perspectives and hopes. Thank you.